Dear listener, welcome back to the 111 Tips for Learning a Language. This is episode 88. Today's title is Learning Through Colors, Painting Your Way to Language Fluency. I invite you to pause for a moment. Look around you. Notice the colors in your space. Maybe it's the dark richness of your desk, the light tones of the wall, or a splash of color in a book cover. Have you ever wondered how these colors affect your energy, focus, and even your ability to learn a language? Today, we are going to explore how colors are not just decoration, but subtle teachers of the mind. Dark, light, and pastel colors. Dark colors. Dark tones like deep blue, black, or charcoal tend to trigger seriousness and depth. Research in color psychology suggests darker shades can encourage analytic focus and critical thinking. Dark colors are best for grammar and syntax drills, the structured, detailed-oriented part of learning. Tip: study verb conjugations on a dark blue background. The depth helps you sink into focus. Light colors. Light colors like white, cream, or pale grey create feelings of openness and clarity. Studies show brighter lighting and lighter tones increase alertness and working memory. Light colors are best for vocabulary expansion and pronunciation practice. These tasks need freshness and quick recall. One tip is to place light paper or digital flashcards against a bright background. Let clarity mirror your memory. Pastel colors. Soft pastels soothe. Research finds that calming colors reduce stress and improve attention restoration. Pastel colors are best for speaking and accent training when you need to relax, open up, and release inhibition. One tip is to practice speaking exercises with a pastel background behind your webcam. It signals your nervous system to stay gentle and safe. Let's discuss warm colors: reds, orange, and yellow. Warm hues stimulate energy and action. Red, in particular, has been shown to heighten detail-oriented tasks but can also increase arousal and stress. Warm colors are best for speaking and oral fluency. They energize expression, help with volume, and lower hesitation. One tip is to record yourself speaking with a touch of red or orange around you. Notice the boldness in your tone. Cool colors: blue, green, purple. Cool hues calm the nervous system. Blue enhances creative problem solving and sustained focus, while green restores mental balance. Cool colors are best for listening and memorization, when calm attention matters the most. One tip is, when shadowing audio, keep a green image nearby. It steadies your listening and helps words flow into memory. Color combinations. Color harmony matters too. Contrasting combinations create alertness, while complementary tones create balance. Blue and green. Excellent for vocabulary learning. Blue's focus plus green's calm helps retention. Red plus blue balances accuracy with creativity. This is perfect for grammar writing exercises. Yellow plus grey. This stimulates curiosity while keeping the mind grounded, and this is useful for storytelling practice. Multicolor palettes. Multisensory studies suggest varied color input enhances engagement and mood, and these are both keys for long-term memory. When designing flashcards or study slides, vary your color use. Assign grammar, blue, vocabulary, green, speaking, red or orange. Over time, your brain builds color-coded memory cues. So, dear listener, colors are not just walls or clothes. They prime your mind, shape your mood, and guide your attention when you learn a language. Dark tones for grammar, light tones for vocabulary, pastels for speaking ease, warm hues to energize, cool hues to restore, and combinations to balance memory and flow. If you feel skeptical, remember, color research shows consistent cognitive effects, from arousal and focus to calm and creativity. When you pair the right color with the right task, you are not just studying, you are painting your way to fluency. Until the next time, I wish you a palette of calm blues, energizing reds, and soft pastels to ease your learning journey. Namaste.